So welcome to you to the last session of your 5th class after winter holidays. In the month of March, you will be having your examination. So hardly we have only 2 months, January and February. 3 topics left, I think, in the syllabus. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic, area and its boundary. Most of the topics are known to you. Already I shared one worksheet on perimeters, that is boundary in the holiday homework. I added that also. Boundary means, mathematical word for boundary is perimeter. Boundary, the outline. Outline is called perimeter. Area means the place occupied by it. When you draw a diagram, that occupies some place. So how much place is occupied by it? That is called area. Boundary means outline, that is perimeter. Yesterday I shared one video. I think you have gone through it, which will help you to understand the topic. If not, after the class, please watch that video. That will help you. Now I'm going to share one PPT where problems on perimeter and area we are going to discuss.
Sir, should we write this in the graph book?
Yes. You have to write in the math book.
Sir, math book or graph book?
No, not graph, math book. When graph needs, then only I will tell you. When we do areas, sir, then graph is required. For perimeter, it is not required. Anyhow, I will tell you when it is required. So area and boundary. Look at this.
No, sir, now we have to take graph book.
Graph book also needed when we do areas. Look at this. There is one rectangle in red color is shown. There is one rectangle in the red color. We are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter means boundary. Boundary means sum of all 4 sides. What is the length of each side? It is not mentioned here. Let me see the measurements. What are the measurements? It is measured by scale.
Sir, I guess it's 7. 7, sir.
Wait. The distance around the outside of a shape. The distance around the outside, the boundary is called perimeter. Here, measurements are given. Now, what is the perimeter? You have to write only this much.
I know the answer, sir.
8 centimeter.
58.
6
8
centimeter.
6 centimeter. 8
8
centimeter.
centimeter. 6 centimeter. Perimeter. First question. Perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. This is the answer. Okay, so you have to draw a rectangle. No need to be 8 exactly, but draw a rough rectangle. Write 8 and 6. Perimeter of the shape means you have to add everything. Draw a rough rectangle, add all the sides. Yeah. Here some rectangles are mentioned. Let us find the perimeter of each shape. Length and breadth are already there in the graph. You can measure on your own. What is the length? What is the breadth of the first one?
Sir, I'm doing in graph book, sir.
You can do in the graph book, but it is not compulsory. You can draw a rough rectangle with the measurements mentioned there. If you look at the first one, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is 5 and 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. First question. Perimeter.
First one is 18.
Perimeter 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20 centimeter. That is the first answer. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 3. Perimeter 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 18 centimeter. Third one. You have to add all the sides. That's all you have to do. Length and breadth I already mentioned there. And the graph, you can see that. But this is not 5 and 5. This is 5 and 4 only. Sorry. First one 5 and 4. Breadth is 4 only.
Yes. Coin junk food, junk fries ఉంటుంది.
Who is that talking there?
Abhinav sir.
Why today very less attendance?
Yes, sir.
You can draw a rough diagram, but write length and breadth. No need to do it in the graph paper. It will take time. Area, anyhow, we have to do in the graph paper, but perimeter not required. Only boundary you have to calculate. So count what is the length and breadth, that you have to show like this. What I have done 3 questions here. The same way you can try. Draw a rectangle, write its length and breadth, then do it. Done all these 5 shapes?
No, sir, I'm at the last one.
Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
So 1 minute, sir. Just
Wait.
perimeters. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Find the perimeter of these 2 shapes.
Sir, the perimeter of the first shape is just ask for
18.
18.
Yes. You have to add all the sides. Draw the rough diagram and add it.
The B1 is the 22 centimeters, sir.
Yes, sir. 22.
Sir, 24 centimeters.
No, sir, it's 22.
Dhanush, stop playing. What are you doing there, huh? Why you are playing in the class? You are supposed to do the problems. How dare you have to play in the class? Now, how can you play in the math class when math class is going on? will be removed from the class. Okay, get lost from the class.
Sir, I'm doing the last one, sir.
Draw the diagram, add all the sides. Just you have to add. Perimeter means you have to add all the sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 6 times.
Sir, I'm done.
Mute yourself.
Sir, done.
Completed.
Sir, should we write this?
Just you have to find the perimeter of both, compare which is more perimeter. That's all you have to do.
Sir, we should not write the writing.
No, writing is not required. Writing is not required. The question is find which is having more perimeter. That's all. Find
Okay,
which
sir.
is having more perimeter. Find which is having more perimeter.
Sir, B1, sir.
Sir, the B1. So the second one, piece B.
Which is having more perimeter, that you have to check.
The more
Sir,
perimeter
B1, sir,
is
piece
piece
B.
B. First one is 22, sir.
B1.
Sir, B1 is bigger. Sir,
Sir,
because
B1 is bigger.
A perimeter is 22 centimeters and B perimeter is 28 centimeters.
Second one having more perimeter when compared to the first one. That's all. Done. Okay. Suppose the same question is given, which is having more area. Which is having more area. How to do this?
Sir, piece
And
A,
the piece B has the bigger area because we need to multiply length into breadth. The
Yeah.
formula.
So length into
area
breadth,
is
length into breadth is a formula, but still I have not given formula to you. So when formula is not known, then how to find which is having more area? The explanation is given here. See, 6 and 5. Let us divide the first one with the small squares of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So 1 square centimeter, small slices. See, 1 square centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter, no? So I can take 6 boxes here. Next here, again 6 boxes. Like this. This can be completely filled with squares. See.
sir, we have to write this.
No, wait. So how many boxes I got here? Total, how many boxes inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 into 5. How many boxes? 30 boxes.
30.
So 30 square centimeter is the area. Here also 11 are there. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 small boxes, 3 small boxes. 11 into 3, 33 square centimeter. This can accommodate 33 boxes. This can accommodate only 30 boxes. So this is having bigger area.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait.
Area.
But every time drawing 1 centimeter boxes counting is not possible, means it takes time. So we are going to give a formula. Whenever a rectangle is there with length and breadth, area will be length into breadth. This is the formula we are going to use now. Yeah, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is, sir, example, sir, first you gave us a shape to find the perimeter. Which perimeter is bigger, sir? Sir, so is it compulsory that the area should also be?
No. No relation between area and perimeter. Area more can have less perimeter also. No guarantee. That differ problem to problem.
Not that, sir. Sir, not that, sir. Sir, just now we compared two shapes. Which perimeter is bigger of the arm papad? Yes, sir. So the slice B was bigger. Yes. So is it compulsory that now you ask that slice A and slice B, which has the bigger area? So, sir, is it compulsory that slice B should only have the bigger area because it has bigger perimeter?
No. That's what I'm telling. Bigger perimeter, no need to be bigger area. Which is having more perimeter, it need not be in big area. Okay, there is no relation between that. So this is how we find the area. Whenever area is asked, you have to divide the whole picture into 1 centimeter squares, 1 centimeter boxes. Every time it is not feasible because it takes a lot of time. So we use the formula length into breadth. So first one area, length into breadth, 5 into 6, Second one 11 into 3, 33. So second one is having bigger area. How the formula came, that I explained here, no need to write. The final essence you have to remember. Area of rectangle is always length into breadth. That's all you have to remember. So first box is 30. Second one, see second one practically what I have done, that I am explaining here, 33. So first one is 30, second one is 30. You can directly write the formula. These boxes also if you want to write, otherwise leave it. Formula you have to remember. This is the formula. Area, length into breadth.
Should we write
What is the doubt? Completed. Length into breadth. Just you have to multiply to get the answer. It asks which is bigger and how much it is big. 33, this is 30. The difference will be 3 square centimeters. This is figure A. This is figure B. Figure B is 3 square centimeter bigger. Square centimeter bigger.
Sir? Sir, it is 3 centimeters difference, sir.
Yes, 3 square centimeter difference.
Sir, can you give an example of my question?
Yes.
So the first perimeter is 22.
Perimeter is Jifa?
Yes, sir.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
First one, perimeter is less, but area is more.
Yes, and second one, perimeter is more, area is less.
Yes, yes. You can take
Okay,
this
sir.
as
Now
a
I
question.
understand.
Find perimeter and area. Find perimeter and area. You can take this as the next question. Then we do the remaining.
Sir, should we do this in the graph book?
Sir, we have to do it.
Yes, do this. Find the perimeter and area. Additional question I'm giving.
Sir, should we write this in graph?
No, not in graph. Normal
Okay,
question.
sir.
Find the perimeter and area of the given figures. Find the perimeter and area of given. First, second.
Sir, what should we do this, sir?
What's the doubt?
Sir, we have to find the area of this, sir. These boxes.
No. That is not the question. What is there on the board that you have to do? It is still not shared completely. Yeah. Now this is the question. What is the area of this? Better you can do in the graph paper. Count number of small boxes, that will be the area.
18.
Count small boxes, that will give the area. Use the graph paper so that you will get the right answer.
Sir, 18.
18? 1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, it is right, sir. It is 18.
18. 18 small boxes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Should we write this in graph, sir?
Yeah, you can do in the graph.
Okay, sir. Sir, should we also find the perimeter?
No, only area they are asking, no? Area. You have to count the boxes. How many boxes?
Sir,
that will be the area.
Sir, area is equal to 18 square centimeter.
18 square centimeter.
The next shape.
Wait.
The weights.
Okay. Is that making noise?
Dancer.
Now look at this. As I said earlier, finding the area with counting number of boxes will take a lot of time. You have to count how many boxes are there. So what is a quick way, easy way?
Sir, I know.
Sir, we have to add the length and breadth of that shape.
Length into breadth.
Yes, sir.
Into
We
breadth.
have to multiply length and breadth.
Find the
We
length
need to
into breadth.
multiply one side. Sir. Example.
Yes.
There are
Length into
6
breadth.
in the breadth, so 6 into
Find
3,
the length.
4,
Find what is the length and breadth.
9. The 9.
8 rows and 6. 8 and 6, no?
8 and yes, sorry, 8.
8 and 6. So length is 8, breadth is 6. So area will be 8 into 6. 48 square centimeter.
Sir, should we write this?
Yes. Area of the rectangle. 48 into 6. You write the formula, length into breadth. Length into breadth we are doing because there are 48 small squares. So area will be 48. Find length and breadth. That's all you have to do.
The answer is 48 centimeters.
Yes, 48. What about
Sir, the
area of this pie
first shape is 20 square centimeter. And the purple one is 18.
Count the length and breadth. Area will be length into breadth. Count the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeters. Breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. So 5 into 4. 20 square centimeter or centimeter square. If you write above, that means square only. First. Second
Sir,
one.
graph book education white lie.
Second one. Length and breadth. 6 centimeter, I think. Breadth is 3 centimeters. 18 centimeters square. Hey, who is that? Who is that fellow? Minimum common sense not to disturb the class. Two shapes I tried here. Other 3 shapes you can try. Otherwise, we close the class. I will send the PDF of this. You can try. First one is 20. Second one is 18. Third one, fourth one, fifth one. These are the answers.
Sir, you will send all this, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in this the first one answer is 20 centimeters.
Centimeter square.
20 centimeters square. But up of M, what is the meaning of the 2?
That is square. Square. Square.
Okay,
See.
sir.
Sir, it's just the units like we measure liquids in liters and milliliters.
Both are same.
And then area we
2 power 2.
centimeter
Listen.
square.
Power 2 means square. Centimeter square. That means centimeter into centimeter. You are taking length into breadth. Length is in centimeter. Breadth in centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter means 2 times. 2 times. So that's a double. Square. Square centimeter. This symbol indicates square. Someone asks what is 4 square. If someone asks you what is 4 square, it means 4 into 4. 4 taken 2 times. That is 16. Square. Square means multiplication twice. You can write the power 2 or you can write SQ, square centimeters. Like I wrote here, SQ also you can write. Okay. Maybe in the next class, holiday homework, I received only 8 out of 25. Only 8 students sent the holiday homework. Others, I don't know why you are not sent. Yeah?
Sir, who will send the holiday homework?
Only 8 students sent the holiday homework.
Sir, name.
I have to list out. Those who have not sent, please send by today evening. Otherwise, I am going to put 0 for the PT2. If the holiday homework is not sent, they will be getting straight away 0 in the PT2. Then don't ask for the marks. Okay, whatever is taught today, I will try to send the PDF of that. Go through it. If any pending work is there, you can complete. And I will share worksheet also on this. Okay, see you.